I am Dr. W.P. Gurnade from Kamlanagar Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the isomerism in coordination compound. Already we have discussed about the structural isomerism, and today we are going to discuss the geometrical isomerism. As we know what is isomer, isomer have same molecular formula but have the different structures. So in case of structural isomerism, we have already discussed what is the ionization isomerism, ligand isomerism, linkage isomerism, after that hydrate isomerism, coordination isomerism and polymerization isomerism. So all these are having the same formula but have the different structures, and therefore these are called structural isomerism. And today we are going to see the geometrical isomerism. That is, geometrical isomerisms are two types: cis isomer and trans isomer. When the similar groups are atom present on the one side, it is known as cis isomer. When these two atoms, similar atoms are present to the opposite side, then it is known as trans. So there are two types of cis and trans isomer in case of geometrical isomerism. So we are going to discuss here the isomerism in coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. So today's topic is now the stereoisomerism in coordination compound, and there are two types of stereoisomerism. One is geometrical and second is optical isomerism. We have seen what is isomer. The isomers have similar molecular formula and have different structures, and mainly there are two types of isomer, and number one is a structural isomer and second is a stereoisomers. And already we have discussed the structural isomers, and now we are going to discuss the stereoisomers. In this case of stereoisomer, there are two types. One is geometrical isomer and second is optical isomers. And today we are going to discuss the examples of and what you mean by geometrical isomerism. So in case of geometrical isomerism, they also have same formula but have different arrangement of group of atom in the space. And in case of this geometrical isomerism, first in the next slide, so these are the two types: geometrical isomerism and second is optical isomerism. But this detail about geometrical isomerism we are going to discuss in today's presentation. So this geometrical isomerism is occur because of the ligand occupy different position around the central atom with respect to each other. When the similar groups are present on the one side, then such type of isomer is known as cis isomer. When the groups are present opposite to one another, then the isomer is known as the trans isomer. And because of this reason, the isomerism is also known as cis trans isomerism. Generally, isomerism is not found in the complexes with coordination number 2 and 3, because in this case all the positions occupied by the ligand around the central metal atom are adjacent to the one another. Geometrical isomerism is most common in the complexes compound containing or having coordination number 4 and 6. So coordination number 4 and 6 shows the geometrical isomers, and therefore in the next slide, and we are going to discuss the geometrical isomerism having coordination number 4 and 6 both. So first is geometrical isomerism of 4 coordinated complexes, and in case of coordination complexes means ligands are 4. Geometrical isomerisms are there. Geometrical isomerisms are two types. One is cis isomer, second is trans isomer, and in case of 4 coordinated complex means having 4 ligands. So in these complexes, the possible arrangement around the central metal atoms are tetrahedral because of coordination number 4, or it may be a square planar. Either they have tetrahedral or a square planar arrangement. With tetrahedral complexes, geometrical isomerism is not possible. This is because due to the fact that in these complexes all the 4 positions are equidistant. from one another, and therefore in case of tetrahedral complexes geometrical isomerism is not possible. However, in case of square planar complexes, different isomers are possible depending upon the type of complex. And important types, there are three types of these isomers are shown here. So number one is different types are there, and first type is type Ma2B2. M is a metal ion, A ligand, and A and B are the ligands. A ligands are 2, B ligands are 2. So first type is type Ma2B2. This is Ma2B2. So M is a central metal ion atom. A is a one type of ligand, B is a another type of ligand, and A, B are having 2 in number. So again here shown that M is a central metal ion, A and B are the different ligands. A and B different ligand, but A are 2, B are 2. So 2 isomers are possible here. The 2 isomers possible here shown in this slide. So a well-known example of this type is dichlorodiamine platinum, and 2 different isomers shown in the figure. So cis and trans isomer of this dichlorodiamine platinum complex. So this is the example of this first type of isomerism, and 2 isomers are possible, cis isomer and trans isomer. This is cis and this is trans. This is cis isomer because similar groups are present on the one side. For example, NH3, NH3. When the similar groups or atoms are present to one side, then it is known as cis isomer. Now in case of second, position have been changed. Ammonia comes here and Cl comes here. So in this way the position is changed. Now 2 ammonia are present in opposite position, and therefore this is known as trans isomer. So similar groups are present on one side is cis. Now they are present oppositely, then it is known as trans. So 2 isomers are possible in case of type 1, and example is dichlorodiamine platinum complex. So this is the one type of the one type of 4 coordinated complexes. So 4 ligands are there. Another type is a type second, that is type is a Ma2BC. M is again central metal atom, and A ligands are 2 types, B and C are different ligands. And example of this type of complex is here. See here now, platinum is a metal ion, ammonia R2, that is A, and B, C are the Cl and Br, 2 different ligands. In this case also 2 different isomers are possible, and 2 isomers are shown in this slide. Many compounds of platinum exhibit composition of this type. Hence A are generally neutral ligand such as ammonia, water, pyridine, etc. And B and C are anionic ligands such as Cl minus, Br minus, nitrate, NO3 minus, SCl minus, etc. And there are 2 forms of the compound, cis isomer and trans isomer shown here. This is cis and this is trans. In this type of A generally neutral and B and C are generally anionic ligands. So here now again A ligands are ammonia, so here 2 are there, Br and Cl. So they are present on the one side, so it is known as cis isomer. The position is changed now, Br comes here and ammonia, so these 2 ammonia are present oppositely, so it is known as trans isomer. So in this case of second type also there are 2 possible isomers which are shown, that is cis and trans isomer. So this is the second type of 4 coordinated complexes. Again 4 ligands are there, but A ligand are 2 and B and C are 1, and total are 4 ligands are there. M is a central metal atom. So in this way this is first and this is second, and both are showing cis and trans isomer. 2 isomers are possible in these complexes. Geometric isomerism, that is 4 coordinated. Another third type is there, M, A, B, C, D. All the 4 ligands are different. So they are showing cis and trans isomer, but they are showing different isomers, and 3 different isomers are possible in this case. So M is a central metal atom, A, B, C, D are the 4 ligands. Different ligands are there, not similar ligand, therefore geometrical isomerism cis trans is not possible. But in this type, all the 4 ligands are different and 3 isomers are possible. So there are 3 possibilities of showing this isomers, and 3 isomers are, see now here, NH3, pyridine, and this is the one position of this 4 ligand. Here the position has been changed. Here ammonia and pyridine are there, but here Br and Cl. Another position here also changed. So in this way, there are 3 possibilities. Example is, see 4 ligands are different. Platinum is a metal. Ammonia, pyridine, Cl minus, Br minus are the 4 different ligands, and therefore we can arrange these 4 ligands in a this square planar arrangement, and we have 3 different isomers, 1, 2, 3. So these are the 3 isomers, different arrangement of these ligands around the central metal atom, and and it forms 3 isomers are possible in this third type. So there are 3 types of the 4 coordinated geometrical isomerism, and now we are going to discuss after that. Next is the geometrical isomerism of 6 coordinated complexes. Now the ligands are 6. When the coordination number coordinated complexes are, say, that is the ligands are total 6, therefore it is known as 6 coordinated complexes. Again now it is possible geometrical isomerism cis and trans. In case of 6 coordinated complexes, now see here 6 corners are there. So we can number this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here also we can show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 similarly. In this way, or this is, so this is the octahedral arrangement or representation, and with the numbering of different positions. And now when there is a 1 to 1, when the similar groups are present to the 1 and 2 position, it is known as cis, and when the 2 similar groups are present at the position 1 and 6, it is trans. Again now remember, when the similar groups present to 1 and having the position 1 and 2, it is cis, and when they are present at 1 and 6, then it is trans. So in case of 6 coordinated complexes, here they show different isomers, geometrical isomers, and arrangement of ligand around the central metal ion in 6 coordinated complex in octahedral, and geometry is octahedral, and the 6 positions occupied by the ligand in this arrangement are shown by the number 1 to 6 shown in this here, and a large variety of geometrical isomers are possible with this arrangement depending upon the type of complex. And important types, there are total 4 types are there, and all the 4 types we are going to see here. What are the different examples of this geometrical isomerism of 6 coordinated complexes. So number 1 is a type A4B2, 4 A type ligand, 2 B type. A and B are the ligands, and 4 and 2 total 6 ligands are there. So M is again central metal ion. In case of this first type Ma4B2, in this all the 6 ligands are monodentate. Or because small letter, small alphabet indicate that is A, B, C, or these are the small alphabet indicate monodentate ligand. If there is a capital alphabet, that is capital A, then it is a bidentate ligand. Now in this case, all the 6 ligands are monodentate, and 4 ligand A type are of the same type, one type, and 2 ligands are there of B are of the other type. 2 isomers are possible, and in cis isomer the ligand B are adjacent to each other, and these are in a 1-2 position, and the positions are occupied by the ligand A. In trans isomer, the ligand B are at the opposite end, and the rest of the positions are occupied by the other ligand. A well-known example of this type is dichlorotetramine cobalt ion. Example is dichlorotetramine cobalt 3 ion, and 2 isomers shown here. Example is shown. Example of this type is a dichlorotetramine cobalt 3 ion. So in this case, cis and trans position. As we know, when it is cis, similar groups, two isomers, ligands are here. See now here 1 and 2 position. The ligands are similar ligand, Cl, 1 and 2 position, then it is known as cis. When the similar Cl are present to the 1 and 6 position, when they are at 1 and 6 position, then it is known as the trans isomer. So this is first is a cis isomer, 1,2 isomer, and this is called trans isomer or 1,6 isomer. So position, depending upon the position in octahedral geometry, when there is a 1,2 position of the similar groups, then it is cis isomer, and when they are at 1 and 6 position, then it is known as trans isomer. So the example of the first type is a 1-dichlorotetramine cobalt 3 ion. So this is the one example of 6 coordinated complex, and when there is a 6 coordinate complex, geometry is a octahedral. In case of octahedral, 6 positions are there. When the position is 1, 2, then it is 6, and 1, 4, then 1, 6, then it is trans. Now second example is a second type is MAA 4 and B2. So now here shown 4 AA 4 and these 2 6 ligands are again there. Capital A indicate bidentate ligands, and in this case of the capital A indicate bidentate and small indicate the monodentate ligand. In this case, 2 bidentate ligands AA and 2 monodentate ligand B are present. 2 isomer cis and trans are possible depending upon the relative positions of the 2 B ligand. In cis isomer, these are at 1-2 position. In trans isomer, their positions is a 1:6. An example of this type is a dichlorobis-ethylene-diamine cobalt 3 ion. Example is dichlorobis-ethylene-diamine cobalt 3 ion, and example of this type, and 2 isomers are possible shown here. So these are the examples, and dichlorobis, because if it bidentate, therefore 2 are there, so bis means 2. Bis ethylene diamine, En is a ethylene diamine. So example is bis dichlorobis ethylene diamine cobalt ion. So they show 2 isomers. Now 2 Cls are there, they are present at 1-2 position, cis isomer. When they are present 1-6 position, then it is known as trans isomer. And now these 2 ethylene groups are there, ethylene diamine. So this is the bidentate ligand. So in this way they form this. Here also 2 corners are being occupied. So this is the arrangement of the and forming of the second type, and cis and trans isomers are formed. So 2 isomers are possible in the second type. And third type is now is a MA3B3. A are 3, B are 3 ligands. So 2 ligands are there. All these are the monodentate ligand, and in this case of the third type, 2 types of ligands are there, A and B. All of them, all these ligands are monodentate. 2 isomers are possible, and example of this type is a trinitro-triamine cobalt complex. And here it is shown the example. Example of this type is trinitro-triamine cobalt ion. So this is the complex, an example. In this case also 2 isomers are possible. Here now, when the 1, 2, 3 isomers, it is also known as cis 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 isomers is known as 1, 2, 3, and similar groups are present on the 1, 2 position. And here 1, 2, 6. So 1, 6. So it is known as 1, 2, 6. It is known as trans isomer. So 2 isomers are possible in this case also. This is third type of geometrical isomerism. And so today we have discussed the geometrical isomerism in coordination compound. As we know, isomerism is there in a carbon containing compound in case of organic chemistry, but some isomerism is also found in the inorganic compound like complexes in the coordination compound. Already we have discussed structural isomerism, and now today we have already seen the geometrical isomerism, what is cis isomer, what is trans isomer in coordination number 4 and coordination number 6.